Hello, it's Mike from the FXPivotPoint.com. Taking a look at today's action and yesterday's action. Where's my little drawing tool? Taking a look at the very, where the hell are you? There you are. The very bullish dollar yen. This was should have been an easy signal for me last night. I mean, it was. I bought it and then I was out because I was not having a solid day. So when I do that, I'm a little more tentative, but I shouldn't have been. Look at this. This nice move down right to R1, where R1 acted as a pivot, a resistance level. Actually, I believe that R1 was being helped out here. Well, we can say, oh well, I can say, oh, R1 really acted as support. You can see it's obvious. I think up here we had some options. So the 95 level also provided some serious pressure, and as you can see, the pressure held. Again, still a very bullish pair. This came down here today in the news. I wish I would have bought that. It wasn't here. I bought this, and now I'm out again. Purely a bounce. We'll see what happens. I'm a buyer here, and we get down anywhere near here. This is the 93.80 and the 94 level. Adds a lot of influence. We've got S1 today. We've got a lot of things here that would make me a buyer. However, keep in mind that we've talked about this at length. When a pair begins and stays above this pivot level, it will fight to stay above that pivot level for the rest of the day. So for this to make it down here, yeah, I doubt that's going to happen today. So let's go take a look at another pair. Let's send you to the bottom. Let's take a look at the euro, and boy, did it has it just taken a beating. As you can see, it just here we can tell it spent a lot of the day spent a lot of the day right here after the fall, acting as S1, surely acting as resistance until the fall. And look at this little, don't you just love these little games right here? It starts here, you get this fake bottom, and these little intraday little wedge games that the market makers play. It didn't last too long. Yep, down we go, and into the new day, down we go. It actually went sideways here. I did short this, and then it got to here, and I thought, oh, we're going up to the pivot point, another great sell point. So I got out here and waited, and I just couldn't wait anymore. I had to go to sleep, but I was really hoping we'd come up here and bounce. That would have been a great sell area. We didn't, no big deal. Headed down. Alright, let's see it, pull this closer. And we can see we're getting a little bit of bounce now off S2. And let's see if S1 acts as support, or do we move a little further up? Who knows? Doesn't look so good. But remember, we talked about the pairs below. Once they're below for the day, come on, little tool. Keep in mind that is one hellacious barrier, and it's not going to get. I mean, unless there's some kind of news that, I don't know, Warren Buffett decides with Bill Gates to give European Union a whole lot of money, and they can't even do it. That was a joke. There's just not a whole lot that right now that looks like it can save the EU. We'll see. You never know. Let's see if this little downtrend plays into effect today. Doubt it will. I really like what for me would be a sell point would be there, because we have S1 in the day. We have the psych level at 3100. And if I did a fib, I'm willing to bet this is right around the 38. I don't even have to do a fib from our intraday fib. I can tell you that that's a 38. Just by looking at it. We're close. And that's all that counts. So hopefully we'll get a little spike or a little move up here in the afternoon, and I'll sell that into the evening. Barring any ridiculous amount of news, that might alter that plan. All right, long term. Let's close this. Long term. Ooh, look at that thing. The pound headed back down to. And look what we did. Comes right up, touches 38. 38 can never make it to the 50 before the big sell-off. Take a look at the euro. That's the 4 hour. Kind of looks like it's trying to find a base here. Let's go out a little further. A little further. You can see we have a little bit a long-term support. Let's see. Tool, where are you? Okay, so apparently I don't know how to use that. Let's just go back to him then. Ooh, we broke that. Never mind. Ignore it. Ignore. Broke right through that trend line. But you can see this. He tried to pull up on there, didn't he? To no avail. We're headed down here. Probably lower. But certainly to a full retrace of this is there's a very high probability that that's in the cards. Now, are we going straight down? No. Are we going to bounce? Yeah, who knows? But this is certainly, I mean, just look. We're on the weekly, right? And just look, how many bullish weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bullish weeks out of, I'm not counting. You can see it's a lot. Not looking too good for this pair. Not looking too good for the UU period. Alright, well, some very simple, very straightforward analysis on the majors. Well, we left off one major, but I don't trade that, so we'll just leave that completely off. And that should be it. We will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.